Welcome students in the third session of chapter percentage. Today we are going to solve exercise 6b. Exercise 6b has 20 questions. Today we'll do up to question number 10. The rest we'll do in the next session. Exercise 6b has word problems. Word problems is the test of your English language. How good you are in English language. It's easy for you to frame the expression. The moment you have framed the expression or you have understood the problem, it's easy for you to solve it. I discussed with exercise 6b. Question number 1 and 2 are of the same type, so I discussed question number 2 for you. Question number 2. Geeta saves 18% of her monthly salary. She spends 10,250 per month. What is her monthly salary? So we are given with saving percent, expenditure money, and we are looking for the total salary of her. How we do it? See how I'm going to do it. So firstly, we are going to write the saving percent. Saving percent is 8%. So that means the remaining money is being spent. So what is her expenditure percent? We know everything is 100%. So 100 minus 18 will give you 82. Now we apply the unitary method. Since 82% is equal to 82% is the expenditure percent, and in the form of rupees it is 10,250. So 82% is equal to 10,250. We are looking for her monthly salary, and we let her monthly salary is anything is 100%. So 100% is equal to 10,250 divided by 82% into 100. Now when you cancel 10,250 with 82, you will get 125. Percentage sign gets cancelled with percentage sign. We do not show it. In 200 will give you 12,500. So our monthly salary is rupees 12,500. Okay children? It's easy to do the questions with 100 in percentage rather considering it as x. If you find easy with x, you can do it with x also. Then we come to question number 4. Question number 3 and 4 are again of the same type variety. I do question number 8 for you. Question number 4 for you. Question number 4, what they are saying in question number 4, 8% of students in a school remain absent on a day. How many percent were absent? 8%. That means the remaining percent was present. So what was the present percentage? That is 100 minus 8, that becomes 92. If 1,633 attended the school on that day, how many remained absent? So we are given with the students present on that particular day, and we are not looking for the total students, we are looking for the absent students. So how we do it? With the same type. Question number now 4. So we are given with the absent person. Absent percent is equal to 8. Therefore, present percent. How many percent students were present? Total is 100%. 100 minus 8, that becomes 92%. How many percent were present? 92 were present. And how many were absent? 8. Okay. Now again we do with the unitary method. Since 92% were present and that were in the number were 1633, so 92% is equal to 1693, and we are not looking for the total percent. So if we are looking for the total, students, then we'll write 100%. As we are not looking for the total students, we are looking for the absent students, so I write absent percentage here. Therefore absent percent is equal to 8%. That will be in the number will be equal to 163 1633 divided by 92% into 8%. Okay, now when you cancel out 163 and this, so what you'll get, 1633 divided by 92 into 8 percentage gets cancelled. This gets cancelled with the 4 2s is 8, 4 2s is 8, and 4 3s is 12. 23 ones are 23, and when you will cancel it out, it is going to become 71. 71 into 2 will give you 142. So we were looking for the absent student. How many students were absent? That is equal to 142. Write the complete statement in the answer line. Okay, children. Then question number 5 and 6 are of the same type. 5, 6 and 7. As we learned decreased and increased quantity formula in the previous exercise, we are going to apply the same formula for question number 5 and 6. Okay, children. I come to question number 7 now. Question number 7. Renu reduced her weight by 15%. If now she weighs 52.7 kg, what was her earlier weight? So we are given with the reduced weight, and we are looking for the earlier weight. That means the given what was her earlier weight. So we are going to apply which formula? Decreased quantity formula that we learnt in the previous exercise. So I do question number 7 for you. Question number 7, we apply the formula. So here we write reduced quantity as we are talking about weight. So I write reduced weight. Reduced weight is equal to 1 minus reduced percent or decreased percent into original weight. Okay. Now reduced weight is given to us, that is equal to 52.7. So that is 52.7 is equal to 1 minus decreased percent. The decreased percent is 15%. So I write 1 minus 15 upon 100 into original weight we are looking for. Let it be x. I am writing it x. In the top line you can write the weight is original weight is x. Okay, so we are looking for the value of x. 52.7 52.7 is equal to 100 will become LCM. 100 minus 15 into x. 52.7 is equal to 85 upon 100 into x. Both are getting cancelled with 5. 17 5s is 85. 5 2s are 10 and 0. So we get 75 on 20 is equal to 52.7. Now we find the value of x by transposing 20 and 17 on the other side. So what we get? 52.7 into 20 upon 17 is equal to x. We remove the decimal, 0 increased in the denominator. The zeros, that 0 gets cancelled. If we cancel 527 with the 17, what we get now? 527 into 2 with 17. So it gets cancelled how many times? 31 times. Therefore, x is equal to 31 into 260. You can write the complete statement. The original weight of Renu was 62 kg. Okay, children? Do not forget to write the question line, copy the question and then write the solution. Then I proceed with question number 8. Question number 8, what they are saying, two candidates contested an election. One of them secured 58% vote and won by margin of 2,560 votes. How many votes were polled in all? See, one candidate is scoring 58%. So another will score by 60, not 100 minus 58, that is 42%. Okay, children. One candidate is scoring 58, so another will score 100 minus 58, that becomes 42. And they are saying won the election by the margin of 2,560. That means the difference between their polls was 2,560. The first one was having 58% and another one is having 42%. The difference in their percentage is 58 minus 42, that becomes 16. This 16% has made the difference in their winning or losing the election. So we do it. How we do it? Remember, we learn to do it. Question number now. It's question number 8. First contestant what is his percentage? It is 58. Okay, therefore second contestant percent will become total is 100%, votes are total 100%, so 100 minus 58, that becomes 42%. So the percentage of the first contestant is 58, second contestant is 42%. Now how much is the difference in percentage? Difference in percent is equal to 58 minus 42, that becomes 16. Okay, difference percent is 16%. If we compare it with the number, it is the difference of the polls, the difference of the votes is 2,500. So again we apply the unitary method. Since 16% is equal to 2,560, we are looking for the total votes, that is 100%. Therefore 100% is equal to 2,560 upon 16% into 100%. We know 16 size 256, so it gets cancelled with 16. So what we will get? 16 116 to 100, that becomes 16,000. percentage sign gets cancelled with percentage sign, and 16 is 256, so it's get 16. 116 200 will give you 16,000. Therefore the total votes were 16,000. Okay, children, write the complete statement in the answer line. Then we come to question number 9. In an examination, Preeti scored 60 out of 75 in science, 84 out of 100 in mathematics, and 36 out of 50 in Hindi, and 30 out of 45 in English. In which subject her performance is worst? So we'll convert all the marks into percentage. I told you to convert into a percentage, we multiply it with 100. So we'll find the percentage of science, maths, English and Hindi, and then we'll find whichever is having the least is the worst, whichever is the highest percentage is the best. And the third part, what is her aggregate percentage of marks? So in third part, what we will do, we'll sum all the marks, total marks scored upon total maximum marks into 100, then we'll get the aggregate percentage. So question number 9, you do it of your own. If you have difficulty, then you can send me in the queries. Again, question number 10 and 11 are of the same type. I discussed question number 10 with you. 11th will be your homework. Question number 10. The price of an article is increased by 25%. By how much percent must this new value be decreased to restore to its former value? See, we are increasing the value with 25%. Then it need to be decreased to maintain the former value. So let the original value be 100. Okay. It is increased by 25%. Therefore, the new value will become 100 plus 25, that is 125. Okay. But we want to restore the former value, that is 100. So we have to decrease it. So we have to find the decrease percentage. Okay. So we know the formula for decrease percentage is decrease upon original into 100. So how we do in the copy? Let's see. Question number 10 now. Let the original price be X. Not X, sorry, 100. It's easy to solve with 100. Okay, children? Let the original price be X. New price, as it is increased by 25%, therefore new price 100 plus 25, that becomes 125. Okay. Now we want to find the decrease percentage. So we'll apply the formula. Which formula we are going to apply? That is, you can apply the formula of the previous reduced quantity and the original quantity, or you can apply the formula of decrease percent. I apply the formula of decrease percent, that is easier. So decrease formula is decrease percent is equal to decrease into original value into 100. Now how much we want to decrease? See, new price is 125. That means that now the price has become of that any article is 125. So we want to decrease to 100. So 125 minus 100 we want to convert into, and the original value, not the original value is not the previous value. What is the new price now? That is 125 into 100, that becomes 25 upon 125 into 100. That becomes 25. 5 size 125. 100 upon 5, that becomes 20%. Okay, so that means the new decrease percent is 20%. Or if you are getting confused with the original value, you can write the why I am taking the original value, because the new value is now original value. That from that only we are going to decrease the price. Or if you're getting confused, you can apply the formula of decreased quantity formula. How to do the decreased quantity formula, I'll save it here. Decreased quantity is equal to 1 minus decrease percentage into original. Okay, original value or quantity. So decreased quantity is now, the decreased quantity has become, now we want to convert into 100. We are looking for the decreased percent, let it be x into original value. The new value has become now 125. Okay, so we transpose 125 on the other side. 1 minus x% means x upon 100. This 100 and 125 gets cancelled with the table of 25. 25 4s are 25. 5 is 125. So what we get, 4 by 5 is equal to 1 minus x by 100. We transpose x by 100 to the left side and 4 by 5 on the right side. So what we get, x by 100 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5. X by 100 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 will become 5 minus 4. X by 100 is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 100 by 5. That becomes 20. So, what is the decreased percent? It is 20%. Okay, children. This way I solved up to question number 10. Question number 10 and 11 are of the same type. You can solve question number 11 also. If you have any query, you can send me in the comment section. So today's assignment will be exercise 6B, question number 1 to question number 11. Here I end the session. Read the question carefully. Be safe and keep studying.